Hello everybody, look at this origami butterfly. Let's make it. Take a square craft paper and fold it from its corners. Flip it and again fold it like this. Then we are going to again flip it and fold it. We are making crease here and look, it is almost ready now. Now press it like this and look, your origami butterfly is ready. You can fold the wings like this and make more folds and give it more shape. And then we are going to do this from other side as well. We are making the ends curvy and look, it is ready. Let's make this origami swan container. Let's fold a craft paper like this and then we are going to pull it upwards and look, your beak is ready now. Gently open it and look, it is ready. Let's make this heart shape envelope. Take a rectangular printed paper and start folding it like this. Now flip it and again fold it and make two triangles like this. Again flip it and fold it like we are doing here. Now we are going to make the heart shape. Fold the paper like this and look, when you flip it you got a heart shape. Now we are going to paste it from glue stick and look, your envelope is ready. You can put your letter inside it. Let's make these large toffees using craft paper. We are folding this square craft paper. Fold it again and paste it using double-sided tape. Now make cut like this. Open it and fold it like this. We are tying it using rubber band on both ends. Paste stickers on the top and look, your toffee is ready. Look at this fun craft. When you press it, it will become a star. Let's make it. So take a square craft paper and start folding it from its diagonals. Press it and make a triangular shape like this. Again, we are going to make folds like we are doing here. And then we are going to do the same from this side as well, like we are doing. And then open it again. Now we are going to open the whole paper and fold it again like this. And you will get a shape. Then we are going to fold all the sides like this from this side. And look, it is ready. Thank you so much for watching this video.